ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Good evening viewers, welcome to Campus Eye,
the show that brings the news from colleges around Mangalore.
I am Amreen Pittur.
My name is Varun Raj.
Now let us have a look at the headlines.
Learning beyond classrooms makes difference, says the students of AMIT on the day of workshop. St. Agnes marked Dr. S.R. Raghunathan's Day as Librarians' Day. Budding young grandmasters participated in the chess competitions at St. Aloysius Higher Primary School. St. Aloysius College celebrated 67th Independence Day with much pride.
Students and staff of St. Aloysius College showed their sense of patriotism by participating in the 65th Independence.
After shedding the yoke of British rule, the people of India could rise above the pain and suffering inflicted and sing the words of Tagore. Where the mind is without fear and head is held high into the heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. With these sentiments, St. Aloysius College celebrated the 67th Independence Day that reminded us of the courage and love of our freedom fighters. Lavina, a BS student, welcomed the gathering. Mr. George Rodriguez, UG librarian and president of Staff Association, said after fly hosting, independence is to express courage and freedom because we are the makers of our destiny.
Our duty today to remember all our soldiers who are protecting the borders of our country. Today, when we are celebrating our Independence Day, it makes me think what means independence. For me, the word independence is a concept which is not easy to comprehend. Open, liberty and independence are construed as identical. However, for me, they are two different experiences that connote different meanings. In this context, as students, you may think that you have both liberty and independence to do what you want, but the authority, however, denies you that kind of independence. It brings in rules, regulations, and so forth.
Reverend Father Vivid De Silva S.J., Principal, St. Aloysius College, gave Independence Day message.
As someone asked, when do you call yourself as a true free person? And Suan Raz says, I am free when I love what I am doing and when I am doing only what I love.
NSS sung Vande Mataram. As students celebrated the Independence Day with sweets, some of the students expressed their joy in their own words.
ಹಲೋ, ನಾನು ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಎಸ್ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರೈಮರಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆ ಒಂದು ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲು ಒಂದು ವಾತಾವರಣ ನೋಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಈಗೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ವೇನೋ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಾರಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಾರಂಗ್ FM ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನನಗೇನೋ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಹೊಸ ಉತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಖಂಡಿತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಕೇವಲ ನಮ್ಮತನವನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು.
Children under the age of 14 to 17 enthralled everyone by participating in chess competition held at St. Aloysius High Primary School.
In collaboration with the Public Education Department, St. Aloysius High Primary School, Kodialbale, created a platform for chess players by organizing Taluk level chess competition. Corporator Mr. Vinay Raj inaugurated the chess competition. Block Education Officer Mr. Gokul, Mr. Raghunath, Taluk Physical Education Superintendent Mr. Dayananda Mada, President Physical Education Association, were the chief guest on the dais. Mr. Vinay Raj, Corporator, said chess should be given more importance and it should be promoted like cricket, football and badminton.
ಹಾಗೂ ತೀಕ್ಷ್ಣತೆ ಕೂಡ ಸರಿಸಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಚೆಸ್ ಆಟವನ್ನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಿಕೊಡುವುದರಿಂದ ಅವರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ನಿತ್ಯ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕಾಗ್ರತೆಯನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ತೀಕ್ಷ್ಣತೆಯನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಎನ್ನುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠ ಈ ಚೆಸ್ ಆಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ.
Dream to achieve high, be a champion like Grandmaster Vishwanath Anand, said the president of the function, Reverend Father Denzil Lobo S.J., Rector, St. Aloysius Institution, in his presidential address.
So therefore, for human beings, nothing is impossible. For you, nothing is impossible. That's also again Swami Vivekananda said, don't think that anything is impossible for you. If you have that desire to excel, you can achieve anything in life. And unless you have dedication and determination to win, you cannot achieve anything in life. Therefore, these three words are very important in your life. ಈ ಮೂರು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಶಿಸ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್, ನಂತರ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೀವು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ.
Now let's take a short break. Welcome back after the break. Librarians Day was celebrated at St. Agnes College on the birthday of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan, whose contribution and dedication inspired the students.
August 12th is a significant day for all of us who celebrate the birthday of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan as Librarians Day. In order to mark this day, St. Agnes College conducted a program for the students. This program helped students to know about Dr. S.R. Ranganathan and his service. Dr. Ronald Anil Fernandez, Bureau Chief, Deccan Herald, Mangalore, inaugurated the program by unveiling the photo of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. In his inaugural address, he said, "Read newspaper and you will benefit a lot."
Actually, Dr. Vishal has asked me to speak something on how to write. I was wondering how to tell you in 5 minutes how to write. It's like asking you to swim by reading books. It's something you have to practice. Not once or twice, but many more times. Thomas Alva Edison says, "I will not say I failed 1,000 times, rather I will say that I discovered 1,000 ways that can cause failures."
Dr. Sister Lydia Fernandez, AC, Superior and Joint Secretary at St. Agnes College and Chief Guest of the Day, said, "Today, information literacy and creating of the knowledge is a need of the hour. Library is much more important than administration office, and when you want to learn, time and place is not important," said Dr. Sister Prem M. D'Souza, AC, Principal, St. Agnes College.
I am Dr. Vishala, working as a selection grade librarian at St. Agnes College, Mangalore. Considering his contribution to the library science throughout India and the world, Government of Karnataka declared in the year 2009 his birthday, August 12, as Librarians Day. This year too, we, the library staff and the library committee, have decided to organize a program, how to write articles, writing out scholarly article for science journals as well as social science journals. This year we have invited two resource persons, one from Mangalore University, Dr. Vishalakshi from Chemistry Department, to highlight on writing scholarly article for science journals, and Dr. Dineshan Kuvakai from Central University of Kerala, who is also the publication officer. We requested him to enhance our students on writing scholarly article for social science journals.
In the era of innovation, Aloysius Institute of Management and Information Technology, BERI, conducted a workshop on new product development and visual merchandising.
A workshop on new product development and visual merchandising takes the student of AMIT beyond their classroom. A workshop of this sort created a platform where students could understand the subject well. Reverend Father Denzel Lebo, SJ, Rector of Aloysian Institutions and Director of AMIT, inaugurated the workshop. Mr. Elroy and Mr. Venkatesh Amin, Assistant Professors in the MBA department at AMIT, gave the students a lot of latest information and ideas on visual merchandising and new product development that are very useful to the students. 125 participants from undergraduate commerce and management courses made the best use of this one-day student development program. The speciality of this student development program was that it made the participants more interactive and involved them in a lot of activities. The workshop also focused and deliberated on issues in business arena which required expertise and interdisciplinary approach from various streams. Professor Rajini Suresh, chief guest of this valedictory function, said in concluding program, the students must get involved in the society and be concerned about the problems in the society.
That's all for this week, Campus Eye. See you all next week, same time.
Myself, Amreen Gittur.
Varun Raj, signing off. Good night.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.